Hey friends, if you encounter the error code 0x80070522 on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So first, this resolution is in steps. It's only one solution, but it is in two steps. First of all, you need to copy this command, which is net user administrator space forward slash active yes. Basically, it will activate the administrator account. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Paste it here and hit enter. It says the command completed successfully. Now open the file explorer window, go to this PC, open C drive, and then we need to go to Windows and scroll down to the system32 folder. Right click on it and select show more options, select properties, and now in this one security, click on edit and give full control to yourself if it is possible. I'll show you. I mean the administrator account. Okay. So this is what you can do. Then click on apply and finally on OK, and then on OK once again to save the settings. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.